You are going to love the 2018 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, navigation system, traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.